Alright friends, today we are going to see how we can add Google font on our HTML. So I will tell you the three methods that are most popular to add your Google font offline, or you can say it will increase your efficiency. So I have written all the basic syntax. After the title I have linked my CSS. Here in the body section I have created a paragraph of class para 1. So here I have written the dummy paragraph, which is lorem ipsum, or you can write anything that you want to show. So here for the demo I have written this dummy paragraph, and here is the result. As you can see, there have been a default font family used, and which do not which actually do not look so attractive. So I have searching for Google font in the new tab. Here I have the first website, that is Google Font, www.googlefont.com. Here this is the official website of the Google Fonts. You can add any Google font on hovering, or you can add by clicking on it. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the size of the font family as per your requirement. Here you can refresh it. Here this is the sentence. Here you can search the particular handwriting that you want. Here is the popping that is most popular. Here, as you can see, in dark mode, here icons. Here you can in the search bar you can search for the famous social media icon also. When you click on it, as you can see, there have been some CSS, HTML, and you can also download it to the SVG and PNG also. So after crossing it, here go to back. Here just search for handwriting. So as you can see, here are the most popular result. I have clicked into this thing. I want to the 30 to 20 pixel around. So here just click to this add style. Here this pop out will be appear on your window. Now you can click on the menu hover button also. Here you have to copy this thing that has been at the link and paste it in the HTML under the head section. So I paste it in my head section. After saving it, our CSS, our font family has been completed, but we do not have style or CSS. So I am selecting the para 1. Here in this I am going to use the font family, which is Patrick's hand. So after saving it, as you can see, our the font family that we want to appear in our HTML has been appeared. So I am giving a margin of 0 and 10% so that it will be align up beautiful. As you can see, the result that are desired product. This was the first method. And second method, you can directly import to your style.css. So you have to just copy this thing. Here in this I have to commit it down so that you will be able that both the things work same. As per your requirement, you can do the things. Here I commit all the links. As you can see, by default it has been the cursive of Chrome browser, not been the Patrick's hand. So here in this, after the para 1, have a gap and paste it this link Alt Z. After saving it, as you can see, there have been no change related, I think. Let's check it whether it has been changed or not. After committing it, then the font family has been changed. So you have to remember that if I have not committed, then the font family has been increased. It is the default cursive, and when I have not committed down, so the Google fonts are working on it. So here for the demo, the I will tell the third method how you can add to your HTML. So here class is para 2. Now this is the default default font. Now in the para 2, after saving, as you can see, now here in this you have to just in a click I want to select another font that it will look more pretty well to my web page. So here I am selecting. You can select any font of your own choice. It do not depend that what the font I have chosen, you also choose them. So here I want the height of 37 pixel, and I want to add this. Here on the click on this menu hover button, this will be the pop out. So here in this link you have to copy just the HTTPS, which is the link provided of this font family. So in the new tab, just you have to paste it in the search box. As you can see, now press enter. This will be the basic CSS for the font family that we require. So here in this I want to add the font.css. So after saving it, just you have to paste it the course that you have copied, and after that you have to save it, and here you have also to link that css file. So here I have linked my css file, that is font.css. So as you can see, the font family has been working of the Patrick's hand. Not I want this thing, I want the font family, it has been changed to default. And here I am giving the margin of 5% so that there will be gap of para 1 and para 2. Here in this I want this family, that is dancing script. So copy this thing and paste it here. So after saving it, as you can see, our font has been changed. Alright, this was the third method that we have learned till now. Now here in this you can click to the download family. Here this zip will be downloaded. Now here the folder that we are actually working on, click on it. As you can see, there have been a zip. Right click on it, extract it here, extract this file. So after extracting, this will be the desired product. You can link this folder to your HTML or CSS. So here in this, as you can see, there will be properties related. This is the basic syntax of the script that you want, or the font family. So there have been bold, regular, irregular, and as you can see, according to your choice, you can put it in your HTML and CSS. This will be the offline method. So thank